In this video, I'm going to share an essay written by Francis Bacon of truth. Here, Bacon's so many essays have been advisable to readers since the time he has written. But this essay is most important to read by people of all walks of life. Now, I'm going to share this essay of truth in simplified manner. This essay of truth is divisible in two parts. The first part tells about the circumstances which make people to tell lies. The second part about the admiration of lovers of truth is described. So here the first part will be dealing with certain situations which make the people to tell lies. So it will know that why people always tell lie. So on certain conditions, that conditions make to tell lie, whereas in the second part it is the admiration of lovers of truth. So it will be good to know if you are having such habit of telling truth, what benefit you will get, or you will be hearing to the admiration of lovers who always incline to tell truth. When the essay is open, what we are going to know that there is a Roman governor who is involved in Christ's death. He asked one day what is, but he can't wait to get the answer because he knows that it is difficult to get answer about the nature of truth. And Bacon says people to tell lie to achieve something. So in order to achieve something, people having such a habit of telling lies, and poets also telling lie because people like the liars. The mostly poets are liar. They have used imagination, imaginary lyrics, which is not possible in real life. But people like to hear such imaginary lyrics or the words are full of lies. Because of people like the poets using imaginary or the words which are lies. Merchants also telling lies to boost their business. And most people lie because their comfort and the mind is corrupt. Because their mind is corrupt, they love to tell lies. Truth is here compared to daylight. Life is compared to dim light. So lie is compared to dim light, whereas truth is compared to daylight. So in the daylight, you can see anything. Nothing will be hidden in the daylight. But in the dim light, you can see only the certain part. But most of the parts will be hidden. Where? In the dim light. When you are lighting candle, the candle will not give all the places into light. It will focus on particular light. So other parts will be hidden. So when you are telling lie, there may be something hidden. Then he also mentioned about Shakespeare. He has used in his romantic plays. So when he wants to mention romantic scenes in the romantic plays that he has written, the setting of the romantic scene will be with candlelight. And diamond is compared to lie. Diamond is compared to lie, whereas because it shines in natural and artificial lights. So it is being shown both in natural and artificial lights because it is diamond. So liar also can be shown both in natural and artificial. So they may be acting as natural and artificial. But truth is compared to pearls. It shines in certain situations. So pearls are not always shining in every parts as the diamond shines. The diamond shines in natural and artificial light, but truth is not being shown in all the places, but in certain situations. Here, liar is compared to serpent. Here in Paradise Lost, the serpent having said lie to Eve, by which Eve has been seduced and they have lost. Eve and Adam have lost their happy life. So liar is compared to serpent. Christ would come, he believes. Christ would come second time to destroy the world which is full of liars, he believes. And man tells lie due to the pressure of circumstances. So the people don't naturally like to tell lie. Certain situations are giving pressure to them to tell lies. He says, to flatter someone needs some unreal description. So why do people flatter someone? Because they need some unreal description. They're using some unreal descriptions that actually happened. They're telling that something unreal descriptions are happened. Then God has given reason to find out truth. So why God has given reason to us in order to find what is good and what is wrong? after Adam and Eve have been corrupted by the words of serpent, God has given to the mankind the reason so that we can analyze what is good and what is wrong, so that we can be avoided to fall into serpent's. Then mixing of truth and lies compared to copper and gold. So in jewels we are buying, the jewel is not made up of only gold, because the jewel is mixed of gold and copper, so that the jewel can be stronger. Like that, truth always be mixed with lie. And liar may succeed at first, but later he will be exposed to shameful life. So liar may succeed, he may get success in life by telling lies, but later part of his life will be more suffering, because the liar, the punishment is getting. And Montaigne is the father of essays. He says that liar is brave towards God and cowardly towards man. Here, what he is trying to say that liar is not fearing about God, because liar doesn't believe in the existence of God, but he believes in the existence of human. Human will punish if people telling lies. So he believes not in God, but he believes in human. Since he doesn't believe God, and God will not punish him on knowing that he is telling lie, but seeing human is alive, and he may anytime know that this person is telling lie and will punish. Then this essays, I think, is helpful to the viewers or readers, that what is the truth that Bacon has described. Thank you.